Welcome to Miss Ideal Girl, the headquarters for love, sex, and everything in between. If you have ever felt confused about love, curious about intimacy, stuck in a relationship, healing from heartbreak, or just trying to understand yourself a little better, this is your place. On this podcast, we talk about the real stuff. The feelings, the questions, the fears, the chemistry, the boundaries, and the truths that shape our relationships and our lives. Every episode is here to help you think deeper, feel seen, and navigate love and intimacy with more clarity, confidence, and honesty. Let's get into today's topic. 3. Remember your worth. Remember who you are. Remember who you were before you lost yourself in this person. Remember the truth of your essentials without the stories you have been told by your ex. You are a brilliant light. If someone couldn't see that or appreciate your soul, you owe it to yourself to move on. Write down at least 5 positive traits about yourself. Ask your friends or family if you have trouble with this. Speak these words in the mirror. You are too bright to be dulled by anyone. 4. Breathe. Meditate. Get really quiet. Pray. Listen. Sitting in silence is so important to hear the truth beneath all the stories. When you breathe, that's a form of meditation. Try this with me now. Breathe in through the nose for 5, hold for 8. Breathe out through the nose for 5, and do this for 3 minutes. Imagine a ball of white light washing over you. Some great apps for meditation are Enscape, Calm, and Insight Timer. Meditation cuts through the noise and brings you back to your truth. 5. Buy yourself flowers. Take a hot bath. Get a massage. Dance to your favorite music. Take a nature walk. Eat really good chocolate. Move your body. Take a class you've been wanting to try. Listen to really uplifting music. Put on an inspiring podcast. Talk to a friend. Vent. Cry. Scream. Breathe. Get down on your knees and pray. Laugh. Delete their pictures and number and block them. I know this is so hard, but so important to move on. Take care of you. And by toxic, I mean it's tearing down your soul. How do you know this? Is the other person disrespecting you? Blaming? Taking more than giving? Causing drama? We know what is really good for the deepest depths of our heart. Yet the loving feelings can cloud all of our intuition. When it feels over, it's over. If it was meant to be, it wouldn't end. But the hanging on is so easy. It feels comfortable and familiar to engage even if it's all wrong. How to move on and end the chapter. Because, my God, you are too brilliant to continue a story that is searching for a new beginning. Here are a few steps I have personally found helpful in no particular order. 1. Write down all the things that bothered you about your ex, all the drama, everything. You can write that person a letter, just don't send it. This is healing and takes you out of the fantasy. Write down all the good there was. It's important to acknowledge the love and good times too. And lastly, write down how you contributed to anything and any patterns you want to look at and change. Relationships are mirrors and a place we learn about ourselves. 2. Forgive. Forgive the other person, even if there isn't an apology. Some people cannot see themselves enough to own up to anything. Forgiving them does not mean you accept the way they treated you. Rather, you let go of the anger in your heart for you. This is for you. Forgive yourself. You are here on this planet learning and growing. Being able to take a chance in love and open your heart is wonderful and a beautiful gift. Have compassion for yourself and applaud yourself for moving on. And that wraps up today's episode here at Miss Ideal Girl, the headquarters for love, sex, and everything in between. I hope this conversation gave you something real to think about, something to feel, or maybe even something you needed to hear at exactly the right time. Love, intimacy, relationships, and self-discovery are never as simple as people make them sound. That's why we're here to talk about it honestly, openly, and without the fake polish. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next conversation. There's always more to unpack, more to learn, and more truth to talk about. And if this episode stayed with you, share it with someone who needs it too. Until next time, stay curious, stay honest with yourself, and keep exploring everything in between because your heart deserves better conversations.